guys, wake up. Wake up. Oh my guys, we cannot go out. Malakas, makapalang snow. Guys, Puno na yung grahe nito. Bababa. Alam mo, hindi ito pantay. Pagbaba mo mamaya ng sasakyan mo, hubong yung sasakyan ito. No? Pataas tayo eh. Walang dumadaang sasakyan. Oh. Wake up, it's breakfast. Make breakfast, anak. Anak, good morning. I love you. Good morning. Daddy, let's eat breakfast. Anong masabi mo yung experience mo? Okay, kain na ta. Okay. Okay. The Father, of the Son, and the Holy Spirit. Okay, so happy birthday muna. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Happy birthday. Make a wish. I'm in bloopers.
It's happy birthday too, happy birthday. She's on 19. She's December 19.
16!
She's 19 years old.
No, she got
The baby's 19 years old.
19 ba sa Pilipinas, di ba?
No, 6 of 16.
Oh, it's like a ball.
No, yan na ulit. Yan na ulit.
Do you have that too?
No.
Well, how come it's always
Ay, kanta na kayo. Ano ako kanta? Oh, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Jimmy. Kain na kayo, guys!
My hands.
Happy birthday, Ben! Thank you.
It's too hot. Happy birthday, Nancy.
Thank you.
Stay blessed.
Plate.
Yeah.
Oh.
Ano lang? Yeah.
Kain na kayo!
Ininit mo to, Ben?
Mainit pa yun ata. Initin nyo sa
Just heat it
microwave.
up in a microwave.
Just hot in microwave. Mainit ba? Tingnan mo, it's warm.
There. Papa.
Ano, din na ba? Initin ba ba? O paano? Bukas na.
Bukas na.
Ako handa, oh. Guys, ito yung nilintahan namin. Bakit agahan pa ka mag-Galinarot Casino? Bakit agahan pa ka mag-Galinarot Casino?
Ito mo lahat yung green. Ang dami-dami mong ano.
Pwede na cash out?
Ito ta lahat. Huwag lang yung bulan.
Ay, snowing. Dahan niyang kamo maglabas na kasi madulas. Madulas o snowing. Ang ganda oh. Guys, yung mga kanila na tabunan. Halamigi. Sarap. Makulog ang cellphone ni Arnold. Oh no. Ganda. Oh, snowing. Oo. Oo. Ay, ang lamig. Dapat may punasan dito. Ang lamig eh.
Dito sa lababo maganda o yung dito sa labas.
Dito ho?
Whoa! Rigo! Andot, Rigo.